1 million jobs, gone, vanished overnight. And the scary part, it's just the beginning. Right now, AI is replacing human workers at a terrifying speed, from fast food and finance to customer service and even creative jobs. If you think your job is safe, think again. So, who's next and how can you survive the AI takeover? Let's find out. You've probably heard the rumors, whispers of AI coming to steal our jobs, but it's not some distant future anymore, it's happening right now. In the last year alone, over 1 million jobs have been replaced by automation. And we're not talking about small businesses struggling to stay afloat. This is Amazon, McDonald's, even Wall Street giants like Goldman Sachs. Amazon, for example, has replaced over 100,000 warehouse workers with robots powered by AI. These robots can sort packages, move inventory, and even process orders, all without needing a lunch break or a paycheck. Then there's McDonald's, the fast food giant, who recently opened their first fully automated restaurant. That's right, no cashiers, no cooks, just robots taking your order and flipping your burgers. And it's not just blue-collar jobs either. Goldman Sachs, a company known for its high-paying analyst positions, has laid off thousands of employees as AI starts to take over the world of finance. This is a big deal, people. This isn't some sci-fi movie, this is real life and it's happening right now. No industry is safe from the rise of the machines. So you might be thinking, sure, AI is taking over those repetitive, low-wage jobs, but my job is safe, right? Well, not so fast. The truth is, AI is coming for jobs that many thought were safe just a few years ago. Let's start with retail. Remember the days of cashiers and salespeople? Those days are numbered. Self-checkout kiosks and AI-powered shopping assistants are becoming the norm, pushing human workers out the door. And what about fast food? We already talked about McDonald's, but they're not alone. Robot chefs are being developed that can cook everything from burgers to pizzas, and automated kiosks are replacing cashiers faster than you can say supersize me. Customer service is another industry feeling the heat. AI chatbots, like ChatGPT, are becoming incredibly sophisticated, able to handle customer inquiries, resolve issues, and even mimic human empathy. Companies are realizing that these chatbots are cheaper and often more efficient than their human counterparts. But here's where it gets really interesting. AI isn't just coming for those entry-level jobs anymore, it's coming for jobs that require years of education and experience. Truck drivers, for example, are facing a future where self-driving trucks could make their profession obsolete. The technology is advancing rapidly, and it's only a matter of time before AI is behind the wheel of those 18-wheelers. Paralegals and accountants are also in the crosshairs. AI can now process legal documents and financial data in a fraction of the time it takes humans, with fewer errors. And if you think creative jobs are safe, think again. AI tools like ChatGPT and MidJourney are already generating written content and graphic designs that are often indistinguishable from human-created work. Even doctors and lawyers, professions long considered immune to automation, are seeing AI encroaching on their turf. AI is being used to diagnose diseases with remarkable accuracy, and it's even being used to review legal contracts and identify potential loopholes. The bottom line is this: no job is 100% safe from the AI revolution. Chapter 3. So, with AI coming for our jobs, what can we do? Should we all just panic and resign ourselves to a life of unemployment? Absolutely not. The key to surviving the AI revolution is simple adaptation. The good news is that companies aren't looking to replace every single employee with a robot. They still need humans, but they need humans who understand and can work alongside AI. That's why the most important skill you can develop right now is AI literacy. This means understanding how AI works, what it's capable of, and how to use it to your advantage. Start by familiarizing yourself with tools like ChatGPT, MidJourney, and other AI automation software. These tools are becoming essential in many industries, and knowing how to use them will make you a valuable asset to any employer. But here's the real opportunity. Don't just learn about AI, use it to your advantage. There's a growing demand for people who can leverage AI to start their own businesses or side hustles. Think about it. Businesses are willing to pay top dollar for AI-powered marketing, content creation, and automation. Why not be the one providing those services? Another strategy is to focus on fields that AI struggles to replicate. AI excels at tasks that are repetitive, data-driven, and predictable, but it struggles with jobs that require creativity, emotional intelligence, and strategic thinking. Entrepreneurs, for example, will always be in demand because they can identify opportunities, adapt to changing markets, and create something new. AI engineers are also going to be in high demand, as companies need people who can build, train, and maintain these AI systems. And then there are roles that require a deep understanding of human behavior and complex decision-making, such as high-level consultants, therapists, and strategists. These are all fields where AI will likely play a supporting role, but human expertise will remain essential. The bottom line is this: AI isn't taking jobs, it's taking jobs from people who refuse to evolve. The real question is, will you adapt and thrive in this new era of AI, or will you be left behind? The AI revolution is here, and it's happening faster than anyone could have predicted. But don't worry, this isn't the end, it's just the beginning of a new chapter. The key is to stay ahead of the curve, to embrace the change and adapt. So what do you think? Is your job safe from the rise of the machines? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights on AI, business, and the future of work. You don't want to be caught off guard. The AI revolution is happening faster than anyone expected, but you're not powerless. The key is to stay ahead of the curve. Drop a comment below. Do you think your job is safe from AI? Let's discuss. Subscribe for more AI and business insights. You don't want to be caught off guard.